Hi, if you're worried about your Instagram security or think someone might access your account, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to quickly change your Instagram password on Android in just a few easy steps. Opening the Instagram app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If not, log in using your username and current password. Now go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page. On your profile page, look at the top right corner. You will see three horizontal lines. Menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu. A new menu will appear. Scroll down carefully and find the account center, then tap on it. This is where all your security and account settings are located. Inside the account center, look for the option called Password and Security. Tap on it to continue. Now you will see an option called Change Password. Tap on it to move forward. If you have multiple accounts linked, Instagram will ask you to select the account. Choose your correct Instagram account. Now you will see the password change screen. If you remember your old password, enter your current password first, then type your new strong password and re-enter it again to confirm. For extra security, Instagram may give you an option to log out from all other devices. It is highly recommended to enable this option so no one else can access your account. Finally, tap on Change Password and wait a moment. Your Instagram password will be successfully updated. You've now secured your Instagram account with a new password. Always remember to use a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols to stay safe online. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials.